Okay, now Samsung has long been in the forefront of connectivity when it comes to digital cameras, and the new NX300 is the most connected camera currently available on the market. I'm here with Pam Ernst of Samsung USA, who's going to talk to me a little bit about the NX300 and what's special about it. So first of all, let's talk about the sensor first, because that's got a new design also, isn't it?
Right. It is still an APS-C CMOS sensor doing 20.3 megapixel, but what's new about it is we've completely redesigned that chip to build in an hybrid autofocus system. It's been a long day. And that autofocus system actually allows you to take 8.6 frames per second of continual autofocus. It also allows for a 1/6000th of a second shutter speed. So you've got a very, very fast camera that can shoot very accurate.
Now what's hybrid about it? It's part phase detection and part contrast detection, isn't it?
Precisely. 105 phase points of detection and 247 of contrast, giving you fast and accurate.
Okay, so it combines the accuracy of contrast with the speed of phase
exactly
on the sensor.
Exactly.
Okay.
It is the fastest in its class right now.
Right, okay. It also, I believe, is the widest area of autofocus, the phase detection
Correct.
points also, which
Correct.
is impressive. Okay. What about the Wi-Fi? This is the big thing, isn't
right,
it?
that really is, and Samsung is all about making your devices work together. We've done a few things to improve the Wi-Fi capabilities of our cameras. In this particular camera, we now have dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 gigahertz plus 5 gigahertz, so you get a more stable connection, which is important when you're transferring 20 megapixel photos wirelessly. So what can you do wirelessly? So much more than you can with any other camera. I can transfer photos from this camera to my smartphone or to my tablet. I can also wirelessly send these photos up to my television. I can wirelessly back them up to my PC, and this year it's also Mac compatible. I can do so many things wirelessly, uploading my photos to Facebook. We've added more cloud services. We now have Dropbox, SugarSync, and Microsoft SkyDrive. So the suite, if you will, of Wi-Fi features is very, very large.
Right.
We added one new feature this year that is really impressive. If I, for instance, I'm an outdoor photographer and I want to take all of my photos and transfer them to, let's say, my Galaxy Note because I want to edit in there, what I can do is I can put this into auto share, and every photo I take wirelessly transfers and saves on my smartphone or on my tablet so that they're already moved for me. I don't have to take the time to do it.
So you could be walking around taking pictures with your phone in your pocket,
Yep.
and then by the time you take your phone out, they're already there on your
They're
phone.
already there.
That's impressive, isn't it?
It is. And what we've done is we've combined that app with the remote viewfinder and the mobile link service to send to your phone. We've combined them into one single app this year. So instead of selecting it on the camera and then on the phone, now you just select it on the camera. It tells the phone exactly which app you selected and automatically connects. They pair now and opens that app for you.
It's
so
all
it's a simple
integrated
one
into one
step.
app then? Yeah.
Integrated in one app, it's one step. Very, very simple. One other thing I want to mention is that with this new faster camera, which has a new chip in it, we also have created and introduced at this show the world's first 45 millimeter f1.8 true 3D lens.
Okay.
So you can actually shoot real 3D with this camera. It's the first time in the consumer market.
With that particular lens?
For a true 3D lens, correct.
Okay, great.
So, and one last feature I want to mention is on this camera, you also have an AMOLED screen, which allows you to see it in bright sunlight. It does tilt for high and low shots, and we have a hybrid user menu system, user interface that you can do either this way or by touch, whichever is your preference.
Okay, and this is, am I correct in saying, the first tilting screen on a Samsung NX camera in the range so far? Okay.
The first one like that, absolutely.
Okay. Great, well thank you very much for your time.
Welcome.
Thank you.